Today I want to show you how to make your own Halloween dry ice bubbles. Check this out.
To make our carbon dioxide bubbles, we're using an empty candy container, a funnel. This is a plastic flexible PVC pipe that's 1/4 inch, and we're using blocks of dry ice. So the first step is to poke a hole in the lid of your candy container and run your flexible tubing through it, and then attach the other end to your funnel so it looks like this. Then fill your container halfway with warm water. Next, make a bubble solution with dish soap, and certainly stir your dish soap into your water until you have a even mixture for your bubbles.
Okay, now we're ready for the fun part. Take a block of dry ice, which is actually solid carbon dioxide. So the fog that you see coming off of it right now is sublimation. It's turning from a solid back into a gas. And normally carbon dioxide is invisible, but when it mixes with the humidity in the air, it creates this fog, which is a mixture of water droplets in the air and carbon dioxide gas. So when I add it to my water, that's going to intensify. I'm going to put my lid so that the carbon dioxide comes out of our funnel. I'm just going to wait until that gets going here. You see it coming out? I can see it coming out. Okay. So now I'm going to dip my funnel into my bubble solution to see if I can get a nice carbon dioxide bubble. Here it is. I can see it growing. And you can see the bubble is white. It's getting bigger.
Yeah, it's definitely getting bigger now. Look how big it is.
Oh! Yeah, it's growing fast now. Ah! I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.